When I look down, a bit scary. Walking on this suspended footbridge, it's a kind of adventure. Good morning, dear viewers. Today I'm going to a place called Okatse Canyon. It's a nature reserve in the Dadiani forest area. There we get the opportunity to walk on a raised platform, suspended platform on the side of the canyon. I see beautiful views from there. Okatse Canyon is at some 50-kilometer distance from Okatse town. There are Martvli van service, taxis can be hired and cars also can be rented. A piece of heaven. I pray sincerely to God, may this country be like this always. This is Okatse Canyon Visitor Center. From here, one can pay 20 lari and get the ticket to the canyon. I've gotten myself tickets, and here a scaled down version of the hanging footbridge. To get to the canyon entry point, one can hire a four-wheeler or just walk the 2.5 kilometers trail down this way. Once this place happened to be a favorite vacation spot for the Dadiani family, and those are the ruins of the buildings. It's humid, but then if you keep yourself hydrated well, then it's easy. I started this trail at around 1:30, but it's not that hot over here. This bottle of water, it's not just water. I have mixed ORS into this. You can walk down platform, and it's well supported by these cables and girders. When you look down, it's a bit scary, because that time you realize that even though you are walking on the metal platform, the depth of the valley impacts you. Walking on this suspended footbridge, it's a kind of adventure. One would be forced to appreciate the adventure aspect of it if they have a look at the valley beneath. And there you see the rock face. Exciting. When I look down, a bit scary. When wind blows from that side, much of it will get tunneled through this area. So that causes slight disturbance. Nothing to worry about, but still For some people it might be a little unnerving. Very slight movement you will feel sometimes, but it's nothing to be afraid of. I assume they would have bored screws meter long onto the cliff face, then fix the cables, girders, platforms, so that this would be quite safe. Those barricading with the sheets on my left side, those are super drop-offs. If you fall all the way down to the valley, that's why for protection they have put up those things. Taking the video, I'm not paddling. I feel sorry for him. Thank you so much, bro. Matlaba. Thank you, brother. Matlaba. Matlaba. Boating done. Happy now. Nothing enthralls me like nature. Nighttime, this canyon will be lit up with color lights. here. Picture postcard scenery is there. Let's go and see. Back to Okatse. Feeling a bit tired. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for your support. See you in the next episode.